Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a little short video on how we get the dogs in and out of the tent. We've been seeing some questions come around asking how different people get their dogs in and out, and we thought we would just let you in on our little secret how we get ours in and out of the tent. So as y'all know, we started out with one dog and now we're up to two, and so originally it was just Hope, and so she was a test subject. So what we do here, guys, I have built this collapsible board, and all this is like a piece of 3/8 probably piece of plywood, and then I just nailed a bunch of little cleats on the sides of it so they could get some traction. And it used to be this long all the time, and we used to keep it inside the tent, and we just fold it up in the tent with this. Since we've got the trailer, we have put this piano hinge on it, and I cut it in half, and so it collapsed down small enough to store inside the trailer. So now we don't really store anything inside the tent. So what we do, this will go on the, first I fully extend out the ladder. Hey babe, I'm learning to turn bungee. After we fully extend the ladder out, we want to take this rubber bungee cord. You'll have to find one that's actually tight for your ladder. But what I do is I kind of put this in the middle of the ladder, and I'll stretch this bungee around and hook it so it just holds it up. So now they're ready to go up. But before we do that, we want to let Lindy up in the tent, because she's kind of going to be the dog wrangler when she's up there.
Yeah, we have sides that they go on. Hope will sleep on my side, Gracie will sleep on his side, because if we don't separate those two, they will be playing all night long and wrestling and biting each other like a couple of teenage kids. So I go up, and then the dogs will come up.
All right.
So now I am up in the tent, and Michael is going to prepare the ladder for the girls to come up. And like I said, we have sides that the girls sleep on. Gracie's on this side, Hope is on this side, and we usually have like a blanket or a towel or a bed for them to lay on, so they know which side to go to, and they have something a little cushy and something to sleep on. So right now I am waiting for Michael to get that ready, and we will have the dogs come up.
All right, guys. So one thing, if you do have somebody up in the tent like Lindy that is going to receive the dog, when you take this ladder out, you just want to make sure that that person is on that back half of the tent, back here, at least back on that back side. You don't want them back out. The ladder is really a lot of the support for that, so you don't want that extra weight being out here. So let's go ahead and get the ladder folded up. Are you back, babe?
I'm back.
Okay, let's fold the ladder out and get the ramp strapped on, and we'll see which one of the doggies are going to be first. All right, let's go. Come on.
Come on, baby. Good girls, good girls, good girls.
That's how we get them out.
Yeah. And now Hope just wants to stay out here for the rest of the night. Yeah, she assumes her position. She knows her spot. She's a pro at this. Yeah, you're a pro. Yeah, I know where I lay. I know where I lay.
All right. So Hope's already found her home for the night.
Yep.
Gracie, I don't know about her.
She's like a gargoyle. She's watching over. Our little gargoyle.
But yeah, in a nutshell, that's how they get up here.
Hey, baby.
And we may not get them out, I don't know.
Oh, gosh. Yeah. They're like, okay, it's time for belly rubs and oh, look.
And it's time for bed.
Hope is ready for bed now.
It's time for bed. It's time for bed. Are you ready for bed?
Yep. This is where she wants to be. She wants to be in that tent.
Yeah, she was excited. Don't stop, Mama.
I know. She said, this is what we do. We snuggle.
All right, y'all ready to come down?
Are you ready to come down?
Hold on. Hold on.
Gracie's ready to do anything.
No.
Come here.
All right.
Come here.
So, again, Lindy's going to keep the dogs, try to keep the dogs back until we're ready. Gracie's not too trained on this part yet, but
come here.
We're learning.
Okay.
All right, y'all back?
We are back.
Okay. Here we go.
Now the dogs are going to exit. He checked to make sure that we were behind this line right here, so that when he extends the ladder all the way out, we are not on a part of the tent that's not being supported. And Gracie is very hard to control when it comes to exiting the tent. I mean, she's ready to just go out and leap out, and I think she might think she has wings and can fly, but she usually drags me around the tent a little bit. And Hope, she's perfectly happy in her position. She is just chilling out and relaxing.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, Gracie.
Come on, Hope.
Go Hope.
Hey.
Go.
Good golly. Good golly. Okay, Hope.
Hey, Hope.
Come on. Come on. Good girls.
Well, that's how we get our girls up in the tent. Hope did not have any issues at all when we first implemented this. We tried several different things, and she has not had any issues. We trained Gracie on it before our camping trip, our first camping trip with her, and honestly on the second try she had it down. She was going up and down. I mean, even without our prompting and without our help, she was basically running up and down the thing like crazy. Like, she would get up, because we were using Hope to entice her, and she'd get up there and she'd play with Hope, and then she'd run back down. So yeah, she hasn't had any issues at all. If you have any questions for us, feel free to leave a comment. We're always ready to respond to anything.
Yeah, it's a cheap and easy option to get your dog in the tent. I mean, I just made this out of some scrap lumber we had laying around. I mean, it cost us literally nothing to make. I think it was just a couple of fence fence boards that come off of like a picket fence and a piece of plywood.
And then we had a can of spray paint and the piano hinge.
Yeah, you wouldn't even have to paint it.
Yeah.
So, anyway, guys, hope y'all have a blessed week, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.